Good morning, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you a quick view of my swap that I've done for a winter ephemera swap on Instagram. Excuse me. As I say, the theme is winter and we were supposed to do 6 ephemera pieces, I think it is, but I've gone a little bit slightly overboard, but that's by the by. I just wanted to show you what I've made really, just before I post it off in the post. What I've done a loaded pocket which has got lots of tags and bits and pieces in it, some big tags, and there's a little file folder in the back. In the back there also fits, excuse my throat today, also fits a little mini, sort of like a little mini ephemera folder. I just put a few bits of paper in it as well, just to add to it, so that will fit in the back. I'm just going to show you the little things that I've done to put in it. I've just made a couple of little tags from it's from a winter kit. I will put the link down below, and I can't remember what it's called. I think it was my Porch Prints, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check. Yeah, I've done a couple of little tags with some fluffy, I don't know what you call it, trim. I put a little bit of glitter, just a little bit around the edge, just to highlight it a little bit. Put a little bit, so like a little 3-tier pocket. There's an envelope there and a tag which I've decorated with a snowflake. And on the other side, again, there's another tag. I love this kit. There's a wolf there, and then I've got another little envelope, like a little coin pocket, and then another tag there, another journal card there. So that will fit in the back. I'll just show you the other things that I've done. In the front I've made a little pocket here, which is part of this kit. Decorated it with some Holtz flowers. There's a little tag there, a little journaling card, and there's another little pocket there. Excuse my inky fingers, I've just been inking up for another little project. Beautiful kit this is. I've decorated with a little bit of winter themed fabric and some parts of a lace. That's that one, and then there's another little tag there with a snowflake and another one of the slightly bigger tags, all with a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that, catch it with the glitter. And then at the back I've done 2 large giant tags with some writing space on the back, and I've decorated that with a little bit of Holtz paper lace and a snowflake and a couple of die cut flowers. I like this one because it's sort of like an icy, sort of soft icy pink, which I thought just lifted it a little bit. And this is cut out from some lace that I had. So those fit in the back. And then in here I've just put another pocket here with a file, like a little mini file folder. Again, it's from the kit, which I will link below. And I just added in a couple of extra pieces in case she wants to make a journal with the extra bits. So that's that one. And then I've just added in a bit of extra white trim. I ran out of the blue, so I've just put a little bit of white in. And then I just thought because I made quite a lot of die cuts for the kit and I wasn't sure what I wanted to use, so I thought I would just add these in and just send them as a little extra bit and piece with a little bit of extra card. Just a few snowflakes and things I had left over, so I thought I'd include those. And then I cut out a slot die with my Holtz Slot Die and added a bit of extra material in case you wanted to put some extra bits into a journal. And also I've just included a couple of little silvery snowflakes and some white snowflakes and a little bit of the extra trim, which is beautiful. It's like an icy blue, and I thought would go really nicely with it. So that's it. Just thought I'd want to record that just before I send it off. I hope she likes it, for the journal lady who I'm swapping with. So I'm really excited to see what she's done for me, and I hope she likes it. Okay, thank you.